Jabra PanaCast 50 Review. 180-degree coverage that finally makes hybrid meetings truly inclusive.
Ever join a hybrid meeting and realize you can only see 3 people out of the 10 sitting around the conference table? You squint at the tiny screen. You guess who's speaking. You miss body language, reactions, entire conversations happening off camera. It's quietly exhausting. Remote participants aren't second-class citizens, but standard meeting room cameras make them feel that way every single day. There's a reason hybrid meetings feel broken. The camera can't see the whole room. Familiar?
Here's the full scope of what that limited field of view actually costs. Every hybrid meeting becomes a guessing game for remote attendees. They ask, "Who said that?" multiple times. They can't read the room because half the room is invisible. They miss the nod of agreement, the raised eyebrow, the person leaning forward to jump in. Meanwhile, in-room participants forget remote colleagues exist because they're not looking at the screen. They're looking at each other. The disconnect deepens meeting after meeting. Productivity suffers when half your team can't follow the conversation visually. Engagement drops when remote workers feel excluded from the real discussion happening around the table. You've tried PTZ cameras that mechanically pan and tilt, but they're always pointed the wrong direction when someone new speaks. You've tried software solutions that crop and zoom digitally, but the quality falls apart. The fundamental problem remains. The camera's field of view is too narrow to capture everyone in a real meeting room, and no amount of digital tricks can fix a hardware limitation that excludes your remote team daily.
Then everything changed when organizations started deploying the Jabra PanaCast 50. Don't just pick any meeting room camera. Make sure it has true 180-degree panoramic coverage and real-time AI framing so you never experience the frustration of invisible participants or robotic pan-tilt delays again. The PanaCast 50 uses 3 separate 13-megapixel cameras working simultaneously, capturing the entire front wall of your meeting room from edge to edge. Proprietary real-time stitching technology blends those 3 feeds into one seamless, distortion-free panoramic 4K image. No visible seams, no color mismatches, no geometric weirdness. Everyone sitting around the table is visible simultaneously. No one is off camera. No mechanical motors. No waiting for the camera to swing around. The onboard AI processor detects every person in the room, intelligently frames the group, and smoothly zooms to highlight the active speaker using both visual detection and the 8-microphone beam-forming array. It feels natural, professional, effortless. The integrated speakers and microphones handle rooms up to 10 people without additional hardware. One USB-C cable delivers power, video, and audio. Plug it in, mount it on the wall, and it works instantly with Teams, Zoom, Meet, WebEx, certified and tested. Suddenly, your hybrid meetings feel balanced. Remote participants see everyone. In-room participants stay visible. Collaboration becomes genuinely inclusive.
8 months into deployment across multiple offices, the transformation is measurable. A unified communications expert called the PanaCast 50's 180-degree view genuinely immersive at a fundamental step toward meeting equity. A leading AV integrator noted clients consistently praise the wow factor of seeing the entire room without fisheye distortion. An industry analyst highlighted its shift toward intelligent meeting sensing that creates experiential parity between remote and in-room attendees. I've read reports from corporate IT managers who deployed 40 units and saw an 87% increase in remote participants, rating meetings as significantly more inclusive. A university technology director described it as transformative for hybrid classrooms, capturing both instructor and students naturally. The most common concern is price compared to basic webcams. Here's the reality. If hybrid collaboration directly impacts your team's productivity and culture, the PanaCast 50 solves the core visibility problem that cheaper cameras can't address.
You're investing in equity, engagement, and eliminating the disconnect that quietly erodes remote work effectiveness every single day.
Imagine your next hybrid meeting where remote colleagues finally see everyone in the room, follow every reaction, and feel genuinely present. Thousands of organizations worldwide are already using the Jabra PanaCast 50 to create truly inclusive hybrid meeting experiences with 180-degree panoramic coverage, intelligent AI framing, and seamless platform integration. You get full room visibility, real-time speaker tracking, integrated audio, and plug-and-play simplicity in one elegant device. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and see for yourself. If you're ready to make hybrid meetings work for everyone, this might be exactly what your meeting rooms need.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.